Here is the Modern Christmas Scrapbooking Workshop Kit. This includes 9 two-page layouts. That's 18 pages. And this kit, it was designed by fellow demonstrator Susan Williams. She does an excellent job at maximizing the use of paper. So the Modern Christmas pattern paper is black and white with gold accents. So in this workshop, she has added a few bright, bold colors just to add some pop to that black and white and gold. So in your kit, you will receive the papers you need to cut, which includes gold foil paper, this patterned paper, and all the cardstock, and the basic black 12 by 12 base pages, which are extra thick and sturdy. You will receive an almost full pack of the Druzy adhesive backed embellishments in gold and silver. You will receive 6 of these gold hoops that we'll be using on some of the layouts. And you'll receive a portion of these 2024 to 2026 in color flat pearls that we'll be using on the gift packages. You'll also have some pre-cut black and white and gold baker's twine. And let me show you briefly how we use that. So they're already pre-cut, included with each layout. And you'll notice where they are featured under the sentiment clusters, just to give it just a little added something. And here's how I have done mine to put them together. So you have, I don't know, about an inch or so hanging off the side here, and just wrap it around twice. Then you grab it right in the center here and grab the other part at the other center and pinch in the middle. Now you can pull your strands, you can keep these the same length, or, reposition them however you want. I like to wrap a glue dot around it, but you could also just glue it to the back of your sentiment right away. But if you add a glue dot to it, then you could sit it down and it won't unravel. And then you just tuck it underneath however you want on your page. It's as easy as that. For the gold hoops that are included in your kit, you're going to take a fine applicator, a really tiny applicator, and go around the outside edges of this circle, and then add your gold hoop to it, and that will hold it in place. So let's take a look at the layouts. This is actually layout 9, and you can see those gold gems in the background there. The Druzy embellishments are really gorgeous. Here is layout number 8, and this is where you can see those dots in the background. So these dots that are included, just peel and stick them on the bows on your packages, on your gift packages. And then there's some silver Druzy gems sprinkled throughout. Here is layout 7, and you can see the twine underneath this layout right here, and some more dots in the center. Oh, and so the tree, you will notice on this printout tree some fine lines, and you can basically line up your strips of paper across those fine lines, and then flip it over and cut it to make to follow the edge of the tree. So your strips initially will be hanging off, and that's totally fine. Then you just trim it how you want. I have about 1/4 of an inch hanging off the side there, but you could also trim it flush if you prefer. Okay, and this is layout 6. This one has a pop of pink in it. And I have added to your cutting guide some mats here for these two title pieces, December Holiday. Then this is layout number 5, I think we're on now. And again, you've got that pop of color with the black and white and gold. I love the frosty little sayings on each. This one is fun, holiday highlights. In this one, you will receive this circle. And you will use this circle to trace around your photos in order to position them inside these little Christmas bulbs. Okay, I don't remember where we are. Is this layout 4 or layout 3? In any case, here is this one's kind of elegant and beautiful with the black and gold and white. You can see those druzy embellishments in the background there, and they just sparkle with delight. This is a totally fun layout. This is as merry as I'm gonna get, and there you have it. Love the Christmas lights at the bottom there, and you've got some pop of color here. Here is finally layout 1. Christmas is too sparkly, said no one ever. Absolutely right. So I do have these available on my website if you would like. Feel free, while supplies last, you can add them to your cart. Thanks so much and have a great day. One more thing I'd like to mention, when you have a layout you're putting together with embellishments over top of a photo spot and you don't have your photo yet, go ahead and put your foam tape underneath, but don't peel off the backing just yet. And that way, so find somewhere it can attach to outside of the photo space. And then when you're ready to add your photo, you can peel and stick this down right on top of it. You can find this kit and more on my website, creatingwithchristine.com.